489 BBC is a popular Chevrolet big block stroker based on the 454 bore to 4.280 inches and fitted with a 4.25-inch stroker crank to reach 489 cubic meters, 8.0 liters. Rising in popularity from the 1990s on, it delivers huge low-end big block power without the extreme cost of known for greater acceleration, strong reliability, and excellent value.